ideas randomly in general chat, they get buried in 5 minutes and you never actually act on the good ones. In this video, I'm setting up a proper suggestion system with CarlBot, so ideas get submitted cleanly, voted on by the community, and tracked so nothing good gets lost. Why unorganized suggestions are a problem. Without a dedicated suggestion system, member feedback quickly becomes impossible to manage. People post ideas in general chat. They get pushed up by new conversations, and within a few minutes, they're almost impossible to find again. That means great suggestions get forgotten, duplicate ideas keep getting posted, and members never know whether anyone even saw what they suggested. There's also no easy way to measure community interest. One person might ask for a feature that nobody else wants, while another suggestion could have dozens of supporters. But if everything is mixed into normal chat, it's hard to tell the difference. A structured suggestions channel solves all of these problems. Every idea has its post. Members can vote on suggestions, moderators can review them later, and everyone can clearly see which ideas have been approved, denied, or are still being considered. Step 1. Create the suggestions channel. Start by creating a dedicated text channel for suggestions. Something simple like #suggestions works perfectly. Once you've created it, adjust the channel permissions. Members should be able to send suggestions normally, but they shouldn't be able to delete other people's messages or spam unnecessary reactions if your server rules don't allow it. Keeping permissions organized helps prevent abuse and keeps the channel clean. You can also place the suggestions channel inside its own category alongside channels like announcements, server updates, or community feedback if you want everything organized in one place. Once the channel is ready, it's time to connect it to CarlBot. Step 2. Enable the suggestions module in CarlBot. Open the CarlBot dashboard and select your Discord server. Navigate to the suggestions section. Here, you'll choose the suggestions channel you just created. Once it's selected, CarlBot will automatically monitor that channel. Whenever a member submits an idea, CarlBot formats it into a clean embed that includes the member's name, the suggestion itself, and automatic voting reactions. You don't need to build fancy embeds yourself or manually add reactions every time someone posts. CarlBot handles everything automatically, making the channel look much more professional. Step 3. Setting up voting reactions. One of the biggest advantages of CarlBot's suggestion system is automatic voting. By default, every suggestion receives upvote and downvote reactions, so members can instantly show whether they support an idea. If you'd like, you can customize these emojis to better match your server's theme or branding. For example, some communities use custom emojis instead of the default arrows. Once everything is configured, the process is incredibly simple. A member types a suggestion. CarlBot immediately converts it into a formatted suggestion embed. Voting reactions appear automatically. The community starts voting without moderators needing to do anything. This makes collecting community feedback much faster and much more organized. Step 4. Approving, denying, and organizing suggestions. As your server grows, suggestions will start piling up. That's where CarlBot's moderation tools become useful. Instead of leaving old suggestions unanswered forever, moderators can approve or deny them using CarlBot's commands. When you approve a suggestion, CarlBot updates the embed with a new status and color so everyone knows it's been accepted. The same happens for denied suggestions. Members immediately know the outcome without needing to ask moderators. This keeps the suggestions channel organized and shows your community that their feedback is actually being reviewed. Over time, your suggestions channel becomes a complete history of community ideas instead of a long list of unanswered messages. Best practices for managing suggestions. Setting up the system is only half the job. The real value comes from staying active. Try checking your suggestions channel regularly, even if it's only once a week. When a popular idea appears, leave a quick response so members know you've seen it. Even something simple like, we're looking into this, or this is planned for a future update, keeps people engaged. Avoid letting approved suggestions sit for months without any follow-up. If members see approved ideas never get implemented, they'll eventually stop submitting suggestions altogether. A well-managed suggestions channel encourages more participation and helps your community feel like their opinions actually matter. Recap and outrow. So let's quickly recap everything. Create a dedicated suggestions channel. Connect it through Carlbot's suggestions module. Let Carlbot automatically format every suggestion and add voting reactions. Review suggestions regularly. Approve or deny ideas so members always know what's happening. Once everything is set up, you'll have a clean, organized feedback system that helps your community participate while making it much easier for your moderation team to manage ideas. If you'd like to see this setup running on a real Discord server or you need help configuring Carlbot, join the OBX Discord using the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Discord tutorial.